Alright, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how to create image transition from one to another using a mobile frame. So just drop your image and add your image to the canvas. So adjust the image to align well to fit into the frame. Then go to corner rounding and then rounding to about 30 or 40. Yeah, 40 is okay. Then go to layers and move it to the back of the frame. Then select the image and the frame, then group it. So now select the background and duplicate it. Then remove the background. For this one, the AI couldn't detect the background, so we'll have to remove it ourselves. So move the image carefully into the frame, let it fit well into the frame. So now to make our design show well, we need to change the background image. So remove the background and add another image into the background. Go to layers and move it to the back. So now we want to add a text effect that looks like it's lying on the road. So we would be using typecraft to create that text effect. This is the final result, so you can try it out and let me know how it goes in the comment section. Thank you for watching.